Hey guys, it's Mia here, and today I'm going to be doing a Yesstyle unboxing video for you guys, and it's going to be on this skincare pamper box. And of course, like always, I'll link all the products in the description down below where you guys can also find my rewards code. And just a little disclaimer, these products were sent to me by Yesstyle, but as always, all the opinions in this video are going to be my own. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without any further ado, let's just get started. So the first product I'm going to be talking about is this Super Matcha Pore Clean Clay Mask, and this is by the brand Some by Me. And this brand has a lot of people raving about it on Yesstyle. A lot of people seem to like their skincare. But yeah, there was one week where I used this because my nose felt super clogged. I felt like I could feel the whiteheads on my nose and it was making my skin feel really bumpy. So I decided to use this and a salicylic exfoliator on top, and I feel like that really helped clear up my nose pores. And after that, I felt like my nose felt really smooth and it helped a lot with my uneven skin tone. And I just thought that was a nice treat for my skin once in a while. So if you guys are looking for a clay mask, I would definitely recommend this one. So the next product is the Benton Let's Carrot Moisture Cream, and on the website it says that this cream is nourishing because it contains keratin and carrot extract. And prior to seeing this cream, I never actually heard of carrots being used in skincare, but I decided to give this a shot and I was actually pleasantly surprised by this. And this contains vegetable oil, which is supposed to help maintain the oil moisture balance of the skin. And I really like this moisturizer because I felt like it was good for my dry skin, and usually I would find that some moisturizers aren't moisturizing enough, but this one I felt like I didn't have to reapply, which was good. And this actually made my skin feel really smooth and it wasn't greasy at all, and I really liked how it absorbed into my skin really well. So yeah, this product I definitely incorporate a lot into my skincare routine and I was just so intrigued by it. So next product is the Beelab Matcha Hydrating Foam Cleanser, and it's pH balancing and soothing. And a lot of people had really good reviews on this on Yesstyle, and some people even said it was a dupe for the Crave Matcha cleanser. And for me, I think it's really important to find a cleanser that doesn't strip your natural oils and doesn't disrupt your skin's natural moisture barrier, because I actually found out that that is what was breaking me out in my cheeks. So long story short, when I came back from living on my dorm, I realized that I'd been breaking out a lot on my cheeks, and I usually don't break out on my cheeks, which was super strange for me. And I found out that it's actually because that week when I was home before I moved all my stuff back to my house, I was using like a cleanser that was really harsh and abrasive, and that completely ruined my skin's natural moisture barrier, which caused me to break out so much. And I used so many products on my face trying to fix it, and nothing really worked until I started really looking into my skin's natural moisture barrier and how it was impaired. So after switching my skincare routine to using more gentler products, I noticed that my skin improved dramatically. So if you're looking for a really gentle cleanser, I would take a look at this one. So next product is the Dewy Ultra Vitalizing Snail Essence Water, and this works to reduce wrinkles. And honestly, I don't really have many wrinkles right now, so I can't really tell if this really makes a really big difference in my skin or not. But I got my parents to try this, and I also got my grandma to try it. And so far I feel like with skincare, it takes a really long time for your skin to see some results. But so far when they're using it, they say they really liked it because it felt really refreshing on their skin. And my mom did mention that this product has a pretty strong scent, so if you're someone who gets really bothered by its scents, this product might not be for you. So yeah, that is my quick overview of this product. Alright, so the next products I was actually super excited about, and this is the Huraharu Wonder, and it came in this super cute pouch as well as in a really nice packaged box. So the first product are these Ultra Fit facial pads, and it comes with 50, and this is just what it looks like. It's super thin, so it's probably meant for you to put your toner in it, and you can just put it under your eye to let that product absorb better. Next, it came with these 3 products. The first one is the Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. The second one is the Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream. And the third one is the Black Rice Serum. And when I first saw these products, I was super in love with the packaging. Like, look how cute this cream is. Like, I've never seen cream packaged like this. It reminds me almost like the EOS cream, but the tip of it is like a nozzle tip. I can show you guys right here. And the whole line of the skincare leans more on the natural side because it says that it has 95% naturally derived ingredients that delivers intense moisture and nourishment of the skin for the cream. And the next product is also from the same line, and this is their toner. It's a nourishing toner formulated with 95% naturally derived ingredients, delivers intense moisture and nourishment to the skin. And lastly, the serum also says basically the same thing as the cream. So one thing I will say about these products is that the scent might not be for everybody. It's supposed to have more of a natural lavender scent, but for me it smelled almost like the ginger that comes beside sushi. So the scent for this was a little bit confusing for me, but personally for me I do prefer more natural scents compared to the really artificial perfumed scents. So aside from that, if you guys are interested in products with more natural ingredients, I would check out these. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys!